Hey, what's going on, boys and girls? It's Mitchy boy here, and I just thought I'd do a video about making little pot plants for like small plants. I got some Nika palms that are kind of ready to get put into these pots, so just been making some little pots. These I just pretty much just cut this with a knife. Just a Fizzy bottle, 1.5 litre, and then I've got this metal thing here, just heated up on the gas stove and poked a few holes in the bottom just so it can drain, the water can drain out, and yeah, it's pretty much it. Just going to fill that with soil, put the plant in, and she's good to go. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Very, very simple, so yeah, cheers.